Hi, are you able to hear me? And is it now visible, the screen visible?
Yes, very
Yes.
Yes, sir.
clear.
Yes, yes,
Great.
yes. Good
Alright.
morning, Kamal Shah.
Good morning. Good morning. Actually, the Zoom has got some issues. I don't know what it's get started and gets hung up anyways. Okay. So now
Yeah,
it
good
is
morning,
start.
sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So let's start. So let's see last week what we had seen. I think post budget we had a view that we might see some movement on either side, but still it is sideways. Okay, so if you look at where we had seen last week also, we are still there. So we have not moved beyond last week's level as well. And again, 39,000 or you can say 39 300 around, that is where we got some resistance. I think 39,500 was the high that was touched, and that didn't sustain and it fall back below 39,000. So we are now still in mid, and for top bottom still the entry is now equally poised. So we have a buy entry at 39,437 and a sell entry at 37,824. So we are still in between of this levels, and we need to see which side the market goes. Okay, the key is daily on bank nifty is around support. Okay, nifty again it fails to cross the levels around here, so we started falling from I think 17,700 के आसपास जाके वापस नीचे आया है. Okay, so it got the resistance at the first level itself. This has got resistance till this two levels and has gone down. IT also almost same way. It is lingering around the same levels. But yesterday there was a good trade on TCS on intraday. Then there was FMCG again. We have seen Unilever, ITC, and all performing and giving mediocre results. So again, there is some sluggish or sideways movement. Overall, auto sector they started quite well, but then it again went down. Okay, so auto sector again is in. We'll have to see where it actually closed the week. Okay, we had some bullish views on it, and that is where we saw Maruti and all zooming, but then again it had a crash. But Maruti is at an interesting level. If you remember, 2-4 महीने पहले वो 8400 8500 पे अटक रहा था और वहां से गिर रहा था. Now that can be the CIP level because there is a good breakout with volumes, and now it has come back to around 8500 levels. Let's see whether it takes support there and bounces. Now if it bounces, it's going to be a good uh, you know trade for us on the long side. And pharma again is just lingering around. So we are not getting convincing trades. I know you would have seen Reliance didn't trigger at all. Asian Paint triggered, took stop loss by just 1 rupee, and then it was again above our buy price. Then again, Nifta Bank, Bajaj Auto didn't trigger yet. Okay, but we might see it getting triggered maybe because it is now coming down, and let's see where it goes. Okay, Dr. Reddy has triggered and it is still lingering around the same thing. It didn't go beyond 44.40. So that's where we were not able to modify the stop loss. HDFC Bank also went till almost 41, took stop loss and again bounces. So somewhere or the other, what we are seeing is markets are still in a state where it is not giving you a convincing trade. Okay, a trade which can give you proper things. See, 510 rupees on this stocks can be also made on 15 minutes chart. So that is the reason why not I'm saying it's not convincing trade. बाकी मेरे ख्याल से एक टाइम पे डॉक्टर रेड्डी was giving 5,040 rupees is 5,000 there. This was giving 10 to 12 14 rupees. So somewhere yes we were getting some money, but not as per what the charts are speaking currently. So that's why still I would say we are in a cautious state. So be very careful when we are trading again in this week. Okay, so that is where it is. So let's start now. What we see from 7th onwards. Okay, so let me start. Okay. Okay, I have got something for us. Okay, so I'll be working today and tomorrow on this. And if I get any good trades, we'll share. Okay, this is mainly, my equity thing. And if you look at what I am only searching is cup breakout. Okay, so this is my search criteria. So let's see whether, we get any decent trade coming up. Equity side also there are most, so if you look at it, just 10%, 9% is what we have searched out. Okay, from 3,200 stocks, it's just 320, so it's almost actually 10%, not 8 9%. ये थोड़ा गलत है. Okay, so we got 10% of the stocks in which few of them are indices. Okay, so let's see if we get any decent portfolio stocks in this time. Okay, so we'll search on it, and I think Reliance Infra, the thing which we discussed, and even on mobile, they both are doing good for us. Okay, so let's see. So let me have a new window, and it ये window चला जाएगा मेरा. चलो मुझे gets. So we have Akash also today. If you look, you can see somewhere top bottom has not given us a decent entry so far in January. So we are also looking for a good entry on top bottom side as well, because अगर आप देखोगे तो लास्ट टाइम जो शॉर्ट ट्रिगर हुआ था, सिस्टम के हिसाब से रुकते तो वो स्टॉप लॉस लेके जाता था. So we had actually, I think we booked around 340 some odd points, and at the same day I think it had touched 43 MA के नीचे थोड़ा गया था, तो I think it went to 36 400 500, तो अपने को एक once upon a time I think it was around 800 850 points. So I think there is going to be some change in the way we trade top bottom in this market as well, because my view is 1,000 points तक नहीं जा रहा है, तो I think we might see of closing a trade looking into a reversal at around 800 to 700 points वो भी decent रहेगा, because otherwise there would be, I don't think so a good money being made even on that side till the market remains sideways, because I think 2 years there was a good movement across the market. Now there is a time where the market will might consolidate for some time before it starts moving in one direction. So I am not of the opinion that we might say new high soon or new low soon, but we might stay in the same thing. No, no, not full reversal, but at least we'll have to see whether we are able to get 700 800 points quickly in the same day, move out, because the fall or the rise are not sustaining. So that is my point. Even now I think मेरा ये open तो हुआ, लेकिन किधर open हुआ वो नहीं समझ में आ रहा. So now I got a new window. Actually it was ये भी नहीं खुल रहा था क्योंकि एक window already open है. तो आई हैड टू थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट करके खोला है, क्योंकि नहीं तो वो मेरा सर्च पूरा चला जाएगा. I think yesterday someone was talking about Lloyd still, so I was looking into it. I don't find this penny stocks to be useful now, by the way. इतना penny भी मत लो. Okay, so let's start with Nifty first. Okay, so Nifty monthly is decent. Okay, still see, as far as it does not break this level, we are okay on closing basis. This on closing, monthly closing. Weekly it has gone sideways, but there is a bullish harami with pro gap, but it sustained to go above 20 MA. So that is where it is getting into place, and that also has got some price resistance. So if you look at it around, this levels are critical. So 17,700 के ऊपर close on a weekly is going to be needed if you want to see a new high. Okay, so that is one level. Okay, and here what we see is it resisted 60 gap and everything. See, ये जब ये इधर था ना तभी 60 के आसपास गया रहेगा. Let me show you that मैं कैसे वो बोल सकता हूँ, because if you go to this candle here, see it might have been around 54.50 and this day's high is around the same. So maybe we resisted around the same level and then it started to fall. So gap is what has resisted Nifty as well, and Bank Nifty also had a gap, by the way. Okay, so this is where we are right now clamped, and that again is that $17,800 level. Okay, so that is where we are, and now we have got another doji at gap support. See, this is a gap here also. There is a gap at this level also. So this is a gap down here. ये वाला gap down है. अभी ये वाला gap up, ये एक वाला तो भर दिया इन लोग ने. अभी दूसरा है इधर वाला. Okay, so ये जब तक नहीं भरा जाता है तब तक still this is at support. Okay, around 48-40. So if we now
एक
cross,
और है नीचे.
हाँ और एक नीचे, but वो तो बहुत नीचे है, तो उतना नीचे आ गया तो खत्म. Okay, so now the thing is, if you cross 17,700, okay, and you close above 17,800 on daily charts, then also you might see that there is a movement then up till 18,100. तब तक उधर तक भी नहीं जाएगा. So that's why I'm saying कि जब तक ये weekly 20 EMA के ऊपर या इसके ऊपर में बंद नहीं आता ना, तब तक यहाँ तक आना उसको मुश्किल है. Okay, so that again would be 60 resistance around on weekly as well. So I think for this period of time, okay, we might see the movement only in this range until this range is broken. Okay, until this range is broken. So this is going to be the range of Nifty for some time now. Okay, so there is going to be a consolidation here. Now, consolidation does not mean that we might have a reversal of trend. Okay, so which side it breaks is going to be very, very important. Okay, अगर हम ये सोचते कि ये रैली के बाद अभी कंसोलिडेशन है तो इसके बाद रिवर्सल होता है, नहीं. See, the thing is, I think if you have gone through the free videos which I shared on his 4th anniversary, it did had a trend line ka videos as well, and see, this is what it was. Okay, so this is the weekly trend line, and if you have seen this, this is the golden category short trade on Nifty. Okay, so one short has occurred, it took bounce from here and it is again bouncing back. So this is the first resistance of my existing trend line. Now the thing that you need to also understand is, see, it took this much time to reach this level. Okay, ये जो level तक वो पहुंचा है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक में उसने काफी steeply grow किया है. तो अभी वो थोड़ा रिलैक्स करेगा, then again it might start an upward movement or downward movement. Okay, so it can be on either side. It does not mean that it can be only on the downside. ये रिलैक्स होने के बाद इधर नया हाई भी मारने जाएगा जो बियॉन्ड रहेगा. Okay, and if you now look into, I think what Sachin is speaking about is the retracement. If I look from the overall point, we still will be around 22 or 23%. उतना भी नहीं आया यहाँ तक. तो अगर ये एक बार यहाँ तक भी आके घूम सकता है, रैली बहुत बड़ा रैली हुआ है, ये ओवरऑल रैली का बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, फ्रॉम द लोज वी हिट इन 2020. Okay, and if you look at current, I think what he is talking about is on daily, if you go to see it, maybe at 61% of rise. Okay, जो मैंने एक चीज देखी थी, I think I'll show you on daily chart. Okay, if you look at this, ये जो high मारा था ना, वहां से लेकर अगर मैं मारूं तो we are at 61%. Okay, so daily resisted this. So this was also one of the things. So if you look at it, there are multiple factors which resisted Nifty. Okay, you can say the golden ratio, you can also say the gap, you can also say 60 around and 20 MA. तो 4 या 5 चीज ने मिलके निफ्टी को उधर अटका के रखा है. Okay, so this will need a very big white candle. Abhi, now again you go to understand, the things that we used to learn during the first candlestick we studied. Okay, what we say is long green with volume. I would just request. Okay, so please. Okay, so I'm muted. Okay, so this we will need a strong white candle here if we have to cross this, and if that is crossed, new high is for sure. Okay, क्योंकि वो वॉल्यूम फिर इसके लिए नहीं है, वो फिर नया हाई के लिए है. Okay, so let's see what the market does. Currently, I am still putting my stand on sideways till I don't break 60 on daily and I don't cross, at least this levels on weekly. Okay, so I still keep it on sideways thing. Okay, monthly still looks good. So monthly has no issues. There were chances that we might have got a bearish divergence. वो नहीं आया. That means the market is saying we are still not bearish. Okay, because highest time frame will matter, and we are still not on the. अच्छा, कुछ तो म्यूजिक अपने आप बजने लगा, मतलब कहाँ से बजा ये? Okay, so let's write down about this. Okay, still we are at उधर ही है, उधर है, कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है. Okay, so we are still around stand. डेली हैमर की जगह पे डोजी है at gap and price support with ये वॉल्यूम्स नहीं है अभी. Okay, this is only and below 50 as well. Okay, I am now saying 50 because 50 is median of RSI. Okay, 0 to 100 का उसका total ये है, तो 50 is the median. So below 50. Okay, ये यहाँ पे and almost around 50. Okay, लिखा हुआ ही है तो मैं क्यों ज्यादा लिखूं? I have already got it. Okay, so this was again on budget day. वीकली बुलसैश नहीं बोलेंगे अभी इसको. लास्ट वीक वो बुलसैश बन रहा था ट्यूसडे को, उसके बाद बंद हो गया, बट इट इज अ हरामी, प्रो गैप हरामी. ओके, प्रो गैप हरामी बट बिलो 60. ओके, दिस इज ओके राइट नाउ. सो मंथली एक ही मंथ वीक हुआ है, तो आई विल स्टिल गो विद द लास्ट मंथ्स रेटिंग. सो दैट इज स्पिनिंग टॉप एट 80H. Okay, now resistance again remains the same. Okay, I'll make this 880 का 800 अभी, क्योंकि अभी तो 800 भी बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है. So let's put it 800, then rest remains the same. ये 113 है, so 150 I will make it. Okay, and then this. Okay, still all this remains almost the same. Is voice gone for everyone or only?
No.
अच्छा, you are able to listen.
No, 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 we can hear.
हाँ नहीं, क्योंकि अभी एक जन ने डाला वॉइस गॉन.
Just I saw.
किधर गया वो? अच्छा, बैक नाउ. वो तुम्हारा इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज फाइन. सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू बैंक निफ्टी फटाफट. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू सी. See this. ये कल भी I think I was talking with one of our student and I told him, like, this is going to be critical. See this. First 60 support, gap support, price support. Okay, so do we take this or do we resist this? इस पे पूरा गेम होने वाला है. So Monday will decide what we are going to do. Okay, and Monday के लिए कल का SGX मत देखो. Okay, I think, see, many people you follow SGX. SGX is only to be seen around 830, 840 if you are interested.
SGX बेवफा है.
हाँ, वो बेवफा ही है, उसको नहीं देखना चाहिए. See, and second thing is, if you have, any open position, okay, and you keep looking at SGX, आपका weekend खराब होने वाला है. आपका वीकेंड खराब होगा, राइट भाई, वीकेंड फैमिली के लिए है। ओके, तो उसके लिए एसजीएक्स मत देखो, मेरी मानो तो मोबाइल से दूर रहो। ओके, वीकेंड को, बिकॉज यू कीप लुकिंग एट एसजीएक्स थिंकिंग यू नो मेरा क्या होगा मंडे को। अरे ऐसे भी जो होने वाला है मंडे को होने वाला है ना, तो 2 दिन तो शांति रखो, राइट। सो
सर 9:15 तक ट्रेड तो ले नहीं सकते, देखेंगे तो भी क्या होगा, खुश
हम
होंगे या दुखी होंगे, बट
वही
ट्रेड
वो
तो
नहीं,
होने वाला नहीं है।
खुश रहोगे तो ठीक है,
हाँ,
लेकिन दुखी
दुखी
में
होंगे
क्या,
तो भी
दुखी में ना घर वाले दुखी होने वाले हैं देवेंद्र भाई, और कुछ नहीं होता
खुश होके भी अरे बढ़ रहा है, अच्छा है, अपने फेवर में है, लेकिन दूसरे दिन अगर एक्चुअल मार्केट रिवर्स में गया तो क्या होगा?
है। So see, everything
दैट्स अ
matters on
शॉर्ट लिव्ड हैप्पीनेस।
how Monday एशियन मार्केट ओपन्स, उस पे पूरा गेम है। एंड व्हाट मंडे मॉर्निंग को डाउ बताता है, डाउ आज 1000 पॉइंट ऊपर भी बंद होने दो ना, मंडे मॉर्निंग को थोड़ा भी लाल रहेगा ना, तो यहाँ पे पूरा मार्केट का ओपनिंग हिल जाता है। Okay, so that is where it is. So rather than looking into all those things, you should be aware of support and resistance levels. I think उसने हमारे false trades बहुत बचाए ये टाइम टॉप बॉटम में, because shorts were getting triggered, but it was opening at support. So we said not to take trade and we were safe, नहीं तो 1% उसी दिन चला जाता। Even long में हम लोग ने ना बोला था कि रुको, और long तो अच्छा हुआ कि वो कुछ अराउंड 40-50 पॉइंट्स का जो बफर ऐड हो गया था ना, उसके वजह से ट्रिगर नहीं हुआ, नहीं तो वो भी ट्रिगर होता था और उसका भी 1% चला जाता था। So it's better, that we see where the markets are and we know the levels. नहीं तो ना कुछ मतलब नहीं होने वाला है। See, this is not actually a morning star. इसको morning star नहीं बोलेंगे, but it's a bullish candle resisting 60 on weekly, by the way. See, if you look at this, बेटा थोड़ा निकल जा, हाँ। सी, ये एग्जैक्टली अराउंड 60 गया था, 39,800 जब भी गया रहेगा ना ये, तभी एक कल का जो हाई आई थी, ये कल का या परसों का हाई था। ओके, वो फ्री ट्रेड था बाय द वे, वो एक्चुअल नहीं था। एसबीआई रिजल्ट्स विल अफेक्ट, बट आई थिंक इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट अ बिट। ओके, इतना बड़ा नहीं होने वाला है वो नॉर्मली लास्ट एक क्वार्टर में किया उसने, बस हो गया, उसके बाद कुछ उतना एसबीआई का रिजल्ट से मैटर नहीं करेगा। Okay, so this is where if you look at it, ये free trade था, and I think it was day before ये वाला Wednesday का trade, it was a free trade. Okay, so ये free trade की वजह से इतना ऊपर दिख रहा है, but it was not an actual trade, I think. Okay, so if you look at it, we almost are around coming to this resistance levels again. Okay, see 39,000 के ऊपर में मंथली अब तक क्लोज नहीं आया है, तो ये मंथ अगर 39,000 के ऊपर क्लोज आया तो ही ये कुछ नया करेगा, बट देन देयर इज अ चांस वी माइट गेट अ डाइवर्जेंस हिल, तो ये 68 है, ये 63 64 है, तो या तो इसको कूदना है तो इसको बहुत बड़ा कूदना है, 41,000 या 40,800 के आसपास में खड़ा रहेगा तभी ये इसको क्रॉस करेगा, नहीं तो क्रॉस भी नहीं करेगा आरएसआई को। ओके, एंड वो हियर आल्सो there is a chance if I come here and stop, which is around 40,600, there is going to be a divergence on Bollinger Band as well. Okay, so या तो इसको बैंड के बाहर ही जाना है, तो इसके लिए 40,800 के बियॉन्ड जाना नेसेसरी है इसको, अगर इसको टिकना है तो। ओके, so for that it will also have to cross 60 on weekly. So we need to see all this things. See, ये इतना ज्यादा अगर आप देखोगे ना तो वीकली बहुत बार तक 60 के ऊपर नहीं टिकता है। सी, यहाँ पे भी छोटी बार टिका है, यहाँ भी उतना ही छोटा छोटा टिकता है। ओके, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी थोड़ा बहुत टिक चुका है। See this is the range for weeks it can stay above 60. ओके, तो अभी भी ये इधर ही है और साइडवेज ज्यादा दिखता है, ये 40 के नीचे ज्यादा नहीं गिरता है। ओके, सो देयर इज स्टिल अ चांस दैट इट माइट हैव अ रेंज ऑफ दिस, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द रेंज फॉर बैंक निफ्टी, तो इसमें ही अपने को टॉप बॉटम को भी बिठाना पड़ेगा। दैट्स व्हाई समवेयर आई डिस्कस दैट वी माइट चेंज आवर स्टैंड दिस ईयर फॉर not 1,000 to 1,200 points, but maybe 700-800 points also. Okay, there is a chance that we might book small profits this year, and then if there is a breakout we might get an entry again. Okay, but I think that is going to be the stand for everyone. I think For those who are subscribed for it, you can follow the group, silently. But for those who are doing independently, I know there are many people doing now independently, and I'm happy for that, because as many students they become independent on that, it gives me immense happiness, because at least you are now on your own. You are just dependent on your own instincts. So for you guys, I'm saying that be very cautious, and take those stand of 600, 800 points should be the range where you should be looking for booking quick profits in top bottom as well. Okay. So now let's write down about this. Okay. So we are still, resisting 60 on weekly, but this is very critical point. Okay. So now तो ये भी कुछ ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं आया है. ओके, ये अराउंड दिस लेवल पे ही है. डेली डोजी एट प्राइस MA20 नहीं बोलूंगा अभी मैं. प्राइस गैप एंड 60 सपोर्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज नहीं, सपोर्ट का स्पेलिंग कुछ अलग ही हो गया. ऐसा नहीं करने का. ओके, bullish candle at 20 MA support below 60. नहीं, I will say resisted 60. Okay, monthly. Okay, morning star नहीं बोल सकते इसको अभी. Okay, but it is a monthly bullish candle. Bullish candle at 60 support. Okay. Now again, see, this remains the same. 38,900, 39,350, 39,800. Because 39,800 का हाई मारा था जो फ्रीक ट्रेड था, but actually was 39,500 के आसपास. Okay, and support lies same. So there is nothing changed from Tuesday and today. Okay, for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So now let's go immediately to the other things. TCS was looking good as well yesterday. So this looks good. First 40 support, range shift. Okay. 40, 60, this is looking good. That's also as a PRD here actually. Okay, so 4 bar PRD along with daily range shift. So we do have a daily range shift out here. So everything is standstill from Tuesday. So budget was a non-event actually for us. Okay, so daily doji with gap up opening. First shift at 40. Okay. Weekly bullish harami below this and 60, that is fine. 4 bar PD setup. So this is okay. Okay, now let's see the other things. Again, reality is not, see, reality इधर ही मार खा रहा है. वो एक्चुअली मैंने जब तभी भी बोला था कि 40 को रेजिस्ट कर रहा है डेली पे. ओके, वीकली पे भी इट रेजिस्टेड 60. सी इफ यू लुक एट हियर. ओके, सो तब से वो अभी एक नीचे का ट्रेंड पकड़ा है इसने. सो रियलिटी, if you are holding any of the reality stocks, time to get out. Okay, it's one into a channel actually. देखो जाएगा तो. So this is actually a channel. If you go to see, I'll show you the actual formation of it. इसको copy किया जाए. Copy. Okay, copy means you get into the same angle and look at this. Okay, so you get this as a channel. So this is a channel now on the downside for it. Okay, and monthly also it is coming towards 60. I think it might come down till almost this level for support. So reality sector, it's mainly on equity side, DLF ko chhod ke. Okay, I would suggest right now stay away from equities in this particular thing. then Shobha hai, Oberoi hai, Lodha hai. Now, infra again has got gap support here. Same like Nifty, resisting 20 MA. Monthly is okay, but still, no sign of positive. See, ये बहुत बड़ा wig ऊपर की side में है, which shows weakness now in the sector as well. We need to cross this because if you look, there are 3 candles back to back here, okay, at the same level. See this. Okay, first, second, third. So that means infra को यहाँ के ऊपर में issues है. Okay. So that is also the all-time high almost levels for it. We need to cross that if you want further heights. So infra also looking a little bit lazy. Okay, energy. But देख लेते हैं. This is the sector which should do good now, but it's also fallen below. So right now at 20 MA support. To see 38%. Yeah, it is at 38%. Okay, so it's might get a bounce, and if crosses 60, this sector looks good. Because overall, बाकी सब जगह पे वो ठीक आ ही ना ये देखो क्या नया चीज हो रही है. So this is exactly what I was talking about. Okay, perfect M set away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can expect this to come to this level first. Okay, and then maybe equivalent of this. Okay. टाटा पावर इसका पार्ट है क्या निफ्टी एनर्जी का? Is Tata Power part of this? Then I think yes. Time to move out and then re-enter whenever you feel there is a. So you'll have to see. I think energy में बाकी सब भी है ना, BPCL, HPCL, IOC. I think Reliance is also part of it, if I'm not wrong. R infra इसका पार्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. That is part of it. We'll have to see. But nah, Tata Power तो यार अलग ही दुनिया में है. इसको रहने तो जहाँ है उधर. Hold it with that 230 as your stop loss. I would not do anything with it. This is still looking good. Tata Power को तो छोड़ना ही नहीं है. I think our entry was around 120 के आसपास में, if I'm not wrong. इसको इसके ऊपर में था, I think 100 के आसपास में. देखना पड़ेगा. So Tata Power is looking good. Yes, it is okay. So maybe, but our infra is looking good. I will not touch it. I'm holding it for a good reason, and it's see, there is a huge breakout here now. So we'll have to see what it does now. It started bandwalk over here also, and there is a huge breakout here. So now we need to see what it does. क्योंकि इसके ऊपर में चला गया RSI. Okay, so there is no bearish divergence immediate now. ये बहुत सारा कैंडल हो जाएगा. Plus ये inside है या outside है, तो वो भी count नहीं होता है. Okay, between this and this, yes, but there is too many candles, so I will ignore that. And now I'm waiting for a breakout above 60 on this. एक बार ये 60 के ऊपर टूटा ना, I think maybe around 141, 148 के ऊपर में once, then it goes straight to 275. Okay, so looks really great. Let's see what it does. Adani Power and all we'll see later. Let's see Adani Power and all. I'm not interested. Adani is another stock which is manipulated. Adani and Adani Group, I will avoid. So, indices पे थे. So we saw, now let's see FMCG. Hammer at gap and 20 MA on daily. Looks interesting. But below 60 is going to be the key. It's a bull sash followed by hammer. So this looks good. and it also didn't have anything else. And monthly trying to cross 60. Okay, so this is looking okay to us. So this sector is still okay, 37,500. Okay, so we have daily bullish candle at 20 MA resistance and below this. So this and below remains set, but we have daily at 20 MA support. Okay, and below this. So 20 MA and gap support actually. Sash so far and below 20 MA that it remains and below 60. Okay, monthly around 60. Same thing. Okay. किसी ने खुद तो बोला ओके अच्छा ओके बोला मैं सोचा क्या बोला. See, Adani mainly has been driven due to political these things. Okay, तो उसको छोड़ दो. I will stay away from such group. उसमें कब लोअर सर्किट भी लगना चालू होगा ना मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा और फिर हाथ में कुछ रहेगा नहीं. ये सेटअप तो अच्छा है फार्मा में लेकिन चलेगा कब कब तो चलेगा बेटा तो कब चलेगा डब्ल्यू पैटर्न के हिसाब से एक बार यहाँ तक आना चाहिए. इट शुड कम टिल हियर एटलीस्ट. कब आएगा भाई तू. And this is where it is around 60. So maybe might resist 60 or might take support and come up. But now see it is ये दोनों जगह पे फंसा पड़ा है. ये दूसरा रेंज बाउंड देख लो. Okay, this or maybe let me take this. Okay. Okay, so previous highs and this also and this. ये जो शूटिंग स्टार है उसका हाई. ये इसके बीच में ही खेल नहीं रहा है अभी. ब्रेकआउट ऊपर या नीचे कहाँ गया था वो देखना पड़ेगा. Second thing is this can be the first bearish range shift. So we need to see what it does now. Okay. यहाँ पे भी वही अटका पड़ा है. उसके ऊपर मतलब 20 MA के ऊपर में निकलता है तो ये वापस यहाँ तक आएगा. नहीं तो ये यही रेंज में खेलते खेलते एक दिन गिर जाएगा. क्योंकि इतना बाउंस इधर बहुत मारेगा और जितना बार ऊपर टच करके गिर रहा है ना उतना ये लाइन स्ट्रांग होते जा रहा है. तो उतना ही फिर ये जोर से फिटेगा इसको. And here also it seems to be good so far. Okay, this is a good movement. This is sideways and then there can be a flaggish type movement here. But again, it depends on where the breakout is above this line. तो ये line के ऊपर में breakout आया तो वापस यहाँ तक पहुँच जाएगा. Okay, not this one. It might come till here. Let's see what it does now. So again, this is having sideways movement. So mainly see all the indices are showing sideways movement up till now. There is no conviction buy or sell on any of the indices so far. Reliance Power will check, but I would not go for it because पता नहीं I am not अनिल भाई का इतना बड़ा फैन नहीं हुआ कि इंफ्रा खाली मैंने लिया because I love the chart. R Power भी I know many people have entered from a low price and it is moving now. So we'll check once, but not convincing. आजकल तो मुकेश भाई भी केस लेके जा रहे हैं. So let's see. This again looks same pharma around 580 थोड़ा ऊपर आया है लेकिन इतना नहीं. So is it resisting daily? Support and showing support around 60. Okay, so this is also. Let's see. Two. ये ऑटो ने 60 को रेसिस्ट कर दिया है. So that is where Maruti and all had a fall. Okay, so see, it was at price resistance and RSI resistance. From there, it has a fall. Okay, so daily shows 60 resistance, weekly shows. अरे बाबा, ये देखो, ये बना है ट्राइस्टार डोजी जो बुलिश पैटर्न है. ओके, ये वाला बुलिश पैटर्न है और ये भाई साहब इधर 10%. करना क्या चाहते हो? ये देखो, ये दिस इज अ वी. ओके, वी हैड सीन दिस अर्लियर आल्सो कि ये ऐसा वी बनता है तो बाद में ऊपर जाता है. ओके, अगर ए बनता है ट्राइस्टार डोजी में तो वो नीचे गिरता है. सो वी नो दैट दिस इज अ गुड पैटर्न हियर, बट पैटर्न नीचे की जगह पे we'll have to see what Monday does. Monday नहीं, पूरा वीक देखना पड़ेगा. So if we cross this on weekly basis, no, 11,850, then this will be retested. This shooting star will be retested. Okay, so this looks little bit of promising, but again, this is what I give more weightage to, and that is the reason why I am still worried about it. So check the stocks also. This is fine. There is nothing wrong here. Okay, so far. So वही इसके ऊपर में एक बार जाना चाहिए. 850. So this is looking a little bit tricky right now on land deal. 7560. ये भी कुछ ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. क्या है? Okay, so daily. So daily. Resisting. Okay, so we do have quite something. Abhi, let me see our power is. So our power ही नाम है उसका. अरे बाप रे, 17 रुपया हो गया पेनी स्टॉक. आहा. अच्छा, सब भी ब्रेकआउट पे है. So our power can be buy above this for the target of this actually. But क्यों ये 7-8 रुपए के लिए क्यों देना चाहिए? 60 भी ब्रेक करो. So I think yes, maybe you know it can cross 23, so we can have a buy for 38.40. So there are a few resistances on the way as well, but looks good after a multi-year. See, after a multi-year, there is a breakout on 60 on here. 3 रुपया से चलना चालू किया, अभी 18 के आसपास में आ गया. And I would buy only above, I think, 25. Okay, so that is where it has got some trouble. So 25 के ऊपर में ही ये स्टॉक मेरे ख्याल से ठीक ठीक लग रहा है. Okay, PSU banks छोड़ दो, मैं देखता भी नहीं. I'm not interested also. Okay, but this looks okay. So let's go to now back to the futures. One thing which I love to trade this week is going to be Reliance. Okay, it's got a proper setup for entry. Okay, if you look at this, इसका closing क्या है? 2337. अरे तारी तो भरी था, 1 रुपया थी. See, you can see when you are looking for bullish divergence, this is the lowest. So you have to see the lowest with this. Okay, so currently still it is not there. Okay, I thought this was there. थोड़ा भी ऐसे. See, this is at gap support. ये सब मैं कल देख के एकदम खुश हो रहा था. But इसमें लास्ट मोमेंट में 1 रुपया बढ़ा के ना पंचर कर दिया पूरा. So this is at price support, gap support. Okay. And probably the entry would be if it crosses 40. So maybe, you have to take a trade. You take a trade on this breakout. Okay, so this is where it is. So 2377, and you can again take it till around 2500. Okay, so this is where you can see this trade. It's going to be a good trade actually. That's why I was looking forward for a divergence also. Okay, so divergence nahi hai, but still I would say, on 40 crossover, this stock can be entered. Okay, so 15 minute पे 60 crossover, and maybe that will help you to get a 40 crossover on daily. Okay, because it's looking good at this level. This is a support level for it. Okay, and monthly also coming back to 60 support. Okay, so this is going to be the critical line, 23,000, 2300. So unless it does not break 2300, I think it is good to be hold. Nifty mid cap, I would not go for. Is it now for trading as well, mid cap index? I think I would just say, Amar sir, in that case, I would follow top bottom for it. See, if you have to trade indices, no, yeah, so it can be another opportunity for top bottom. I would not trade it individually. So Reliance. Okay, so this again looks cross this. See, this is now first 40 support here. From there it is trying to bounce. So again, see, the entry is above this thing only. I would suggest to buy only above this. Choda abhi. So Asian Paint I would. Nifty next 50 and mid cap same thing. Okay. Okay. Let's see now.
कि भूल के छोड़ देना चाहिए.
हाँ भूल के छोड़ देना चाहिए एक्चुअली वैसे ही है वो क्योंकि स्टॉप लॉस अपना 1 रुपए से लिया उसने, इतना दिल पे लगता है ना फिर।
नहीं, लास्ट वीक तो बहुत धोखा हुआ।
हाँ लास्ट वीक तो अपोलो हॉस्पिटल,
या
वो भी 6-7 रुपए से लेके गया, जिसके लिए 6-7 रुपए बहुत बड़ा बात नहीं है एक्चुअली। वो स्टॉक ही 10-10 रुपए हिलता है, वो 7 रुपए से लेके गया और बाद में टारगेट के बियॉन्ड चला गया। 40 to 70 का लो देखा था मैंने।
ट्यूसडे, वेंसडे, थर्सडे तीनों दिन मुझे लगता था स्टेट बैंक गिरेगा गिरेगा, तीनों दिन स्टार्ट करता था, हार्डली 1 रुपया के प्रॉफिट लॉस से निकल जाता था। फ्राइडे को नहीं एंट्री किया तो 2.5% गिरा।
2.5% गिरा, बिकॉज एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ आई थिंक रिजल्ट्स, एंड नाउ आई थिंक आज क्या रिजल्ट देगा वो मालूम नहीं है। आई थिंक
नहीं, अब गिरेगा, उसका हो गया टॉप।
हाँ टॉप हो गया एक्चुअली।
लास्ट वीक एशियन पेंट ने बहुत बहुत परेशान किया।
बहुत परेशान किया वही ना, वो उधर का उधर ही घूम रहा था, और एशियन पे भागता है तो एक साथ 100-150 रुपए भागता है,
और डेली 40 पे पड़ा है, 4 दिन से वहीं पड़ा है।
4 दिन से वहां पे ही है। वो देख के इतना परेशान हो रहा है ना।
वाज अ बैड एक्सपीरियंस। कुछ कुछ थियरी काम नहीं किया।
हाँ कुछ थियरी काम नहीं किया एग्जैक्टली। सो पता नहीं दिस स्टॉक्स लाइक दिस इज अगेन अ रेजिस्टेंस लेवल, इसके ऊपर में ही एक्चुअली एंट्री है इसमें, but then that entry is 50 rupees above the closing price. That's why I'm just thinking करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. This is where the entry is. It's a good setup, but then you are not able to trade this right now.
अभी आपको जो एडवाइस है, थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रॉफिट में निकल जाने का टाइम है।
हाँ अभी वही टाइम एक्चुअली, डोंट वेट फॉर दैट एंटायर। अरे बाप रे, ये देखो कौन ट्रेड लेगा। सो इट रेजिस्टेड द गैप, वीकली गैप रेजिस्ट किया तो 1-2 दिन में पूरा गिरा दिया उसको। दिस इज दैट गैप ऑन वीकली, इसी को रेजिस्ट करके नीचे लेके आ गया। वाह बेटा, क्या है यार, ब्रिटानिया भी नहीं, हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर भी नहीं, एशियन पेंट। लेट्स गो टू मारुति। So मारुति, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस लेवल से, यहाँ पे वो बहुत बार अटका था, अभी इसके ऊपर में उसने ब्रेकआउट दिया है। Okay, so it might come once to this level. So I'm waiting now when Monday को अगर ये लेवल के आसपास में दिखेगा ना, then there is a chance that it might come for 60 and this CIP and then bounce. So there is a scope that it might come down beyond this level. Okay, so तभी देखेंगे, but I'm looking forward for this trade because Maruti is looking really good. Say good on this. Still there is a weekly band walk. Black candle ke beyond भी still it is a band walk on weekly. The only thing you see, it is resisting this small gap here. So if this is crossed 8750 का एक बार ऊपर में चला गया ना, then it should run. We want the close above it actually. ये क्या है, monthly open high से, अरे बाप रे, so tension है. But see, this is maybe the first 60 support. So it's still a band walk on monthly Maruti, and it has done a breakout here. So looks really good. I'm waiting for this Monday के बाद क्या होता है. So we might see a trade coming up on this. I'm keeping it right now open. We will not take it now. We will see and we will confirm an ideas. I think. Let's have wait for this trade. It's looking good. भाई तो गिरते ही जा रहा है, कहाँ रुकेगा? This is gone beyond MRF. Bajaj. but अब तो गिरेगा ना. Still this remains the same, so trade below this. क्या था Bajaj? 66. So say 80, no, 75, 85, 75. Okay. So 47, 45. Yeah, maybe should start with the continuum. So we are shorting it below this only. This is fine. So Asian Paint we are not considering. I think still I think few people have got Asian Paint open. I had got some things from yesterday. Okay, a report. Already
तो बजाज ऑटो का स्टॉप लॉस कुछ तो चेंज है
हाँ 30 sorry
हाँ।
3580 3580
Yeah.
sorry yeah thank you नहीं है टाटा मोटर्स भी मैं टच नहीं कर रहा उसका ये बहुत है मार्जिन so that also does not look okay. Sure. Sideways a bit. So we don't have any trade on this also. See, mainly yesterday many things had open high same, and that has been doing good actually. Okay. So auto we saw, FMCG we saw. Let's see IT में कुछ अच्छा decent trade है. OG at 40 rupees can be bought about this only. बराबर तो OG के high के ऊपर में buy है. So 38, 55 you can say is a decent buy. So TCS. Again, Bank of Baroda and all PSU, I'm not at all interested. I'm really sorry. I don't even see that, and I don't even trust them. मैं एक भी PSU banks नहीं देखता. I'm really sorry. Because first of all, the lot size is too huge. Okay, and equity, I will not go for such stocks. I'll go for cup breakouts. I think last week मैंने 3 stocks बोले थे, उसमें से 2 ने तो already 15% 20% दे चुके हैं. So I think ऐसा कुछ choose करो जो तुमको अच्छा पैसा मिलते. यहाँ पे 934 must be orange. So 30 rupees के सामने 80 rupees so not bad actually. Oui, ma. Oh. सुविधा से बढ़िया सुविधा से ना 1800 सुविधा 57 में बाय. Lot size कितना इन्फी का? Anybody has idea who trades इन्फी? Looks little bit better as well. So I think yes, IT itself was at 40 support, and the key stock shows some things in gap support, 40 support, 7 पर buy शेयर 40.
300 है सर.
300 ही है?
हाँ
Are
जी.
you sure?
Yes, yes.
अरे
Just check.
तो फिर एकदम ले सकता आराम से. तो TCS की लाइन में आ जाइए स्टॉक. वाह वाह.
हाँ, TCS 150 हो गए ना अभी.
अच्छा हाँ TCS 150 हो गया राइट. अरे तो फिर क्या मिलेगा इसमें? आई थिंक ये अभी फैब में हुआ क्या या जनवरी में? This revision is strange, I think then. So should 15.
रिवीजन कब हुआ वो पता नहीं, अभी ये है।
अभी क्योंकि मैंने आई नो मैं 2 महीने
हाँ
तो
पहले
ट्रेड ही नहीं
600 था।
किया था। वही 600 था, इसके लिए मेरे को डर लग रहा था। मैं भूया ना।
ये सर डेली में गैप फिल्ड
हाँ वो ऊपर का गैप फिल हो गया है। एक एक बाकी है।
नीचे वाला एक बार।
हाँ नीचे वाला ये देखो ना, ये उसने गैप सपोर्ट लिया, ये गैप अप हुआ था तो ये फिल हो गया। नहीं ये
ये
भी गैप नहीं, ये भी फिल नहीं हुआ है, देखो ये भी फिल नहीं हुआ है, सो दिस इज स्टिल एग्जिस्टिंग। तो अभी ये एक गैप है इसको इधर, बट आई थिंक यहाँ तक इट इज पॉसिबल टू कम। सो दिस आई एम टेकिंग टारगेट ऑफ 20 एक्चुअली, इसके लिए 1810 डाला मैंने, 1810 1815। सो लेट्स सी। अच्छा दिसंबर से राज को मालूम था। सो we have got 2 stocks on IT actually. अभी OF SS नहीं SS बाबा चला गया, OFSS Oracle Financial। अरे बाबा छोड़ दो इसको, ये भी 40 सपोर्ट पे है, but it is a down this thing and okay, so somewhere it is a buy only if it crosses this or maybe high of this with this as stop loss. So अभी Oracle Finance ये एक्चुअली ज्यादा फास्ट भी हिलता है, इसको जरा संभल के ट्रेड करो। ये जैसे कि सब लोग पूछते हैं ना मारुति को कैसे ट्रेड करने का, वैसा चीज हो जाएगा ये बहुत ये हिलता बहुत है, ये है टेक महिंद्रा है, ये सब ज्यादा ही हिलता है। See, this is also below 40, so I'll avoid this unless it crosses this. क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ तक का एक उसको फिर टारगेट है, so I'll avoid even this.
इज दिस डब्ल्यू इन मेकिंग?
ना W तो फिर कभी होगा, इधर तक आएगा, इसके नीचे यहाँ तक अगर एक कैंडल आया और उसका RSI और ये RSI तो डेफिनेटली ये तो बनाएगा ही बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस। एंड W के लिए एक्चुअली वो 20 MA तक आना चाहिए, ये एक्चुअली W ऐसा रहता है, सो इट शुड कम टिल 20 MA एंड रेजिस्ट। ओके सो वो है क्या W तो मैं बता सीरियल टाइम आई थिंक बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे। So ये भी अटका पड़ा है, ठीक है जाना। स्टिल ऑलरेडी है IT में 2 स्टॉक तो है, 3 स्टॉक्स है ना IT के पास हो गया। ये भी गैप रेजिस्टेंस पे वीकली पे, सो लेट्स वेट, ठीक है। सो दिस लुक्स गुड, सो 2 स्टॉक तो ऑलरेडी डाल दी, इंफिया और TCS। ओके माइंडट्री लुकिंग बेटर, same as in Mindtree the same and OG at this and it can give you target to there. Again this is see इसका daily movement देखो ना, खाली डोजी का हाई लो देखो, it's 60 points, so maybe 100 का भी अगर lot size है तो it is okay। 60 मतलब you are नहीं 60 नहीं sorry 160 है वो, 60 नहीं 160 है, तो 16,000 का रिस्क है इसमें। That's why you know I will oh ना 200 to 32,000 नहीं बाबा, अपना औकात के बाहर है, मैं तो नहीं ट्रेड करेगा ये। ओके 32,000 का रिस्क है डोजी का, इतना कौन लेगा। I will avoid this trade, but Infi and this I think is okay because they've got decent stop losses and decent targets. Okay, so now let's see. बजाज फाइनेंस मत ट्रेड करो, वो भी वैसे ही है, वो क्या है ना सलमान खान की तरह है। ओके ये क्या बोलता है मूवीज में आता है दिल में नहीं आता है, ऐसा सब क्या खुद खुद जैसा डायलॉग मारता है ना वो, ये ना इक्विटी में दिखने को अच्छा लगता है, इसमें नहीं। ओके सो फ्यूचर्स में मत लो उसको, बजाज फाइनेंस को भी नीचे ये सब BRR actually resisted 40 and price here, so this is what the reason is. Okay, so I think we have to exit this Monday. Let's see what it does. પત્તારી અહીંયા 40 ક્રોસ ઓવર અને લોઅર બાઉન્ડ ની ઉપર, અરે શું કરવા માંગે ભાઈ મને સમજાવ તું ખાલી। See this is bullish Harami candle after 4 black candle and वो भी pro gap वाला। भाई करना क्या चाहते हो, इसको क्रॉस करो तो हम माने, तो आप यहाँ तक भी आ जाओगे बेटा। अरे यार मंथली भी डोजी बना रहे हो और ये इधर होल्ड बना रहे हो, करना क्या चाहता है भाई तुम। ठीक है अभी के लिए तो अवॉइड किया जाए। ये अकेला मर्द है जो ऊपर खड़ा है, सिप्ला एंड सन फार्मा आई थिंक, बट सी दिस अगेन इज रेजिस्टिंग 60 एंड इफ दिस इज ब्रोकन, अरे नहीं छोड़ने दो, थोड़ा गैप सपोर्ट पे है, इसके 933 के नीचे में शॉर्ट होता है, बट देयर इज नॉट अ फेवरेबल रिस्क लेवल, जाने दो जाने दो। हाँ डिवीज लग, आपका तो पूरा पटारा खुलने वाला था ना, आपने एक एक करके बोल दिया। डीवी स्लैब इज अ बाय अबाउट दिस, सी इट इज राइट नाउ रेजिस्टिंग दिस गैप, ओके, तो यू कैन बाय अबाउट दिस एंड यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस 60 तक जाएगा ये फिर। सो अबाउट दिस यू बाय, वॉल्यूम भी है डोजी में, अबाव एवरेज वॉल्यूम है, गैप सपोर्ट भी है नीचे, but again you'll have to then keep stop loss is this 4386 4286 and 100 point stop loss, and you're looking for almost 200 points. Okay, so you're looking for 200 points, looks okay to me. 100 ke samne 200 hai, which is fine, and DVs also moves like that also, so this is, looks good. ये भी अच्छा है, यहाँ पे भी it looks good. The only thing is it is resisting this doji का low, इसके ऊपर में जाने दो। ये सब देख लिया, इसको फिलहाल हटा दो यहाँ से। Okay, next weekend we won't have weekly analysis because I'm outside, and I think I'll send a recording on Sunday, or if Sunday evening we are okay, we can do live on Sunday evening. But I would prefer कि आप लोग का family time में ना लो, okay, मैं वीडियो बना के भेज दूंगा, okay, because I'll anyways come to office on Sunday evening and do the recording, but you know I'm okay, let's not do it, you know, trade is still open, yes, तो उसको तो वैसे ही रहने दो, वो जो ओपन है उसको वहाँ ही रहने दो, that we will guide you on Monday. So let's start with banks. SBIN. Okay, see SBIN is at first 60 support, not first, but you know at 60 support. Okay, so this is going to be critical again for, see same is Bank Nifty. Huh? So if you look at it, it is at also 20%, 22% or 23% ka retracement. If there is a bounce, it can come to here. So whatever the result is, if you see it beyond 550, then only think of buying it. Okay, so 550 ke beyond mein, it might go into a new zone, a new territory. Below the low of yesterday, okay, you might see a support around this level. Okay, so 520 ke niche short karna. So mainly Amar sir, you'll have to be careful. Okay, 517, 518 is a very good support. So if you are shorting short below that, okay, and buying is only above 550. Okay, so this is going to be a range because there will be wide movement after the results. Okay, so let's see what they give the result. I think result आज ही है और आ गया या बाकी है? I have not seen on money control still any flash that result आ गया।
अभी तक नहीं आया।
हाँ नहीं आया है, अब तक नहीं आया है, तो ये थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना ये लेवल्स, क्योंकि इसको 570 मतलब 518 के नीचे आप जा सकते हो फॉर शॉर्टिंग इट। Okay, so 517 is the level, then 510 and then 488. Okay, so then it can come till this level, but I am thinking that there can be some support at 60. So let's see where it settles. See पहला 15 मिनट तो छूना भी मत, ओके, उसके बाद 15 मिनट का चार्ट देख के 40 60 जो भी है देख के you can take a trade, but don't be in a haste in first 15 minutes on Monday because post results the movements are wild normally. Okay, और result क्या है उस पर पूरा depend करेगा, and this also shows a shooting star type of formation at almost all time high पे retest करके. Okay, so again we need to see what it does. So यहाँ पे भी वही दिखा रहा है, इसके नीचे में शॉर्ट है 520 के नीचे में, तो मैंने 517 बोला बिकॉज डेली पे थोड़ा वहां पे सपोर्ट है. Okay, so be very careful. Monthly also shows the same thing. Okay, so let's not be in hurry to short, and it is almost at the new high. तो उधर ही उसको अटका रहा है इसको. So there can be somewhere something wrong. HDFC. अरे ये भी देखो बंदा. So this is the lowest flat. ये भी 2 पॉइंट से बच गया है यार. ये क्या है ये? This looks decent. What about 25, 48 or 25? 25, 50. Expect 26, 15. So 65 points. The stop loss of 40 points. Okay, not bad. HDFC. So 35 points and 60 points. 65, not bad. Okay. So it's 1:2. GDFC. बेशरम स्टॉप लॉस लाइन है 500 पूरियो. मर्ज से कम नहीं लोगों ने. Good for this, but let's wait a watch. इतना सीधा नहीं है भाई. So this again is below 60, but has a hammer at 20 ms. So need to see this also. So ये भी convincing trade नहीं है. और AXCs, Yoxis is okay, looking good. इसके ऊपर नहीं. You see, this is the resistance है. ये वाला पूरा एरिया ऊपर resistance है उसको. So 812 के ऊपर में ही ये बाई है. Okay, so Axis.
सर कोटक देख लो एक बार.
हाँ कोटक तो देखो तो गुड बैंक है. ये भी 60 रेजिस्ट किया है. So we don't have any buy over anyone. नौकरी, अरे नौकरी और छोकरी को मत देखो, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. अच्छा 40 सपोर्ट. ये यार ये भी ये संदीप ये स्टॉक भी ऐसा है ना, ये दिन में बहुत हिलता है. So it will be difficult to give you a stop loss or target for this. See, look at the candle size. एक कैंडल का साइज देखो 350 400 पॉइंट. बाबा इतना बड़ा बड़ा ट्रेड्स ना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. देखो ऑलरेडी 165 पॉइंट्स का तो डिफरेंस है हाई और लो में. Where would you keep a stop loss? It looks really good. First 40 support है. Okay, so it looks really decent. You can buy above this and you can expect a target at least of this. Okay, but again, I would actually avoid such trades. ये सब बहुत volatile scripts है. Cholamandalam took. Oh, yeah, already we are late now. It was a trade actually on yesterday. So it was a 60 support and see a bounce from there, and now it has already moved. Okay, so you can think of 592. 60 points. Okay, so 60 points point breakout. This is from here with the 46 plus 60. 700 no target. 710 no target, which is this. Okay, so you have still some flame in this around 25 points odd. Okay, acha bought at 550, then that is fine. This is in equity or futures you have bought since 550. 550, if you have bought it on future, it might be this morning star here, and then if you it's a 40 support and it is moving beyond. So that is fine still. Equity, okay. You can hold for 710 at least. You might get till there. Looking doubtful. See, this is again bearish divergence inside outside. So you can keep 650 as your stop loss actually. If it goes beyond 647 or 645, go. If it goes below that, exit it. I think that's it. And will do some now R&D on my search of this, and we'll share some good equity stocks. Okay. Anything which is going to give a breakout, we'll have to find out and see.
सर ये इक्विटी में बीओबी और कैनरा बैंक देखो ना, आपने 3-4 महीने पहले बोला था कि
हाँ वो पूरा फुस हो गया, लेकिन उसके बाद वो चला ही नहीं। अभी मेरे को एक्चुअली एक बैंक जो अच्छा लगा था वो कौन सा था,
कैनरा बैंक
40 से यूनियन बैंक। यूनियन बैंक भी, लेकिन वो 49 के ऊपर जा ही नहीं रहा है। ओके, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा is resisting 60। मैंने जब बोला था तभी आई थिंक इट वाज क्रॉसिंग 40 या इसके लेवल के ऊपर में खुद तो मैंने
नो यू टोल्ड कि 85 के ऊपर जाएगा तो अपन देखेंगे 85-90।
85-90 तो चला गया, अभी 106 आ गया, बट सी नाउ इट इज रेजिस्टिंग 60 हियर। सो अनलेस इट ब्रेक 60 ऑन मंथली, नो आई वुड अवॉइड। ओके, सो ये 60 को तोड़ने दो उसको। सी अभी ये 60 पे डोजी बना के रेजिस्ट कर रहा है, तो एक ये हो गया। Canara has gone beyond 60. So yes, Canara is a buy right now. So
235 को 240 का लेवल बोला था।
हाँ वही 240. So it is gone beyond that. So this can be a buy from this level. So you can buy with a stop loss of say 235 in equity. So this can be a buy because it's a multi-year breakout actually. It's a multi-year breakout with volumes. So यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम भी अच्छा है. This can be a decent buy. So can be a buy. Your first target will be 302 for now. Above that it can go till 420. So ये अच्छा दिख रहा है actually. और एक अभी जो मैंने recently I was looking for नो, see यहाँ पे इसको CIP के लिए या तो आने दो, इसको आने दो, उसके बाद लो, आने दो थोड़ा नीचे।
ओके
ओके, आई थिंक जो मैंने अभी बोल रहा था, अरे यार शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी लॉस है मेरा भी। कौन सा
यूनियन बैंक,
हाँ
यूनियन
यूनियन बैंक। तो बादाम खाना पड़ेगा अभी मेरे को भी। सही है, ये मैं आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ दिस एज अ ब्रेकआउट अबाउट दिस लेवल्स। ओके, इसके ऊपर में 4950 के ऊपर में इट कैन बी अ गुड बाय। ओके, डेली चार्ट पे इट इज शोइंग दैट विल सी वॉल्यूम्स बीन बिल्डिंग हियर। ओके, वन थिंग इज दैट, and it might start a band walk on monthly after a squeeze here. Okay, so Union Bank also can be a buy above 55-56. So this is also looking decent. और ये अभी भी 52 का RSI है, ये यहाँ तक आएगा तब तक 60 होगा। So it can be a rally from 55 to 100, not bad. 45 rupees is almost 50%. उतना तो आपको हो ही जाएगा, 50 नहीं 80% हो जाएगा। So this is also looking decent actually. Union. So yes, there is some strength in PSU, but normally I will wait for that 60 breakout and all this. के लिए मैं कब पैटर्न पे जा रहा हूँ कि मेरे को शॉर्ट मालूम है कि वो चलेगा करके। Okay. उसको छोड़ के तो मैं मेरे ख्याल से दूसरा कुछ ज्यादा ट्रेड नहीं करता। And I think yesterday someone had said Trigen, और Trigen भी ऑलरेडी 125 के ऊपर में बाय हो चुका था। मीटिंग नहीं है, अभी वाला नहीं, टीवी मीटिंग बंद हो गया क्या? मेरे को डेटा ही नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट बियॉन्ड 2011, ठीक है जाना। टीटीएमएल तो अभी टीटीएमएल ही है, ये सी सीरीज ऑफ दिस आल्सो है। जैसे जो जैसे जाता है ना उसको एक लिमिट पे निकल जाना चाहिए। RSI touched almost 97, right? So that is where we were thinking of exiting, और काफी हो चुका था उसका, इसलिए 100 के बियॉन्ड कुछ नहीं जाता है इसमें। Even monthly RSI was 95, 96. Touch almost, I think ये जब भी मारा रहेगा तभी उसने भी 98, 98 के बियॉन्ड गया रहेगा ये। Okay, I think that's it. और कोई stocks, I think I will see from this and I will let 1:5 share split announced. Acha, that's why it is gone into lower circuit. So again, just see this. We are, again in a range bound movement. Okay, so let's see what the market does. Unless this range is broken, I don't think so. There is going to be a bigger movement in market. So I think
LNT देख लीजिएगा एक बार, LNT।
हाँ, LNT ग्रासिम सीमेंट देखा ही नहीं ना आज।
हाँ देखा ही नहीं आज ACC वगैरह कुछ।
आज तो सीमेंट ही नहीं देखा। सीमेंट अच्छा, ये 60 पर रेजिस्ट कर रहा है, तो आई थिंक इट इज अ शॉर्ट बिलो दिस 48 के बिलो। There is a gap support here, so there is some 40-50 points movement in ACC on the downside. Hansen has already resisted and now Doji at gap support, so वो भी कुछ मतलब ये 15 मिनट पे 40-60 खेलो ये सब चीज में, जब तक कोई कन्विंसिंग नहीं आता है। And I think LNT about 2000 should be a buy. See again, this is the same thing, gap support पे Doji, but again see it as a gap resistance here, तो इसके ऊपर में ही buy है, बाद में भी इधर भी यूजफुल है। So again, it is same thing. If this is closed short for this as a target, okay, so 40-60 on 15 minutes, I think that is the game for now. Okay, we cannot trade on daily charts on so many stocks. We have seen no good setup where you can think that ये convincing trade लग रहा है करके. So markets are actually in a sideways movement and ये होने वाला है. Okay, so be careful. But let's see if we can get a good setup on intraday. I think we will be now starting on intraday rather than this. So small targets low और निकलते जाओ. Okay. So thank you everyone, and let's see next week.